Hi guys, Hun Rider here, or Hun Rider in Hungarian. You know, Hun like Attila the Hun, or Attila again in Hungarian. I'm a noob rider. I just got my license last year, and while I was trying to ride as much as I could to gain as much experience as I could, I started to look for educational videos on YouTube, and that's how I first saw RoadcraftNottingham's channel. And after that I started to look for other motovloggers. Of course, I have subscribed to the Baron from Grumble, because his nutsack stories and general grumbleness are very entertaining. And yeah, so I really do enjoy these channels, and said, what the hell, let's give it a go. And the first video I did was yesterday. Beautiful weather. Today is cold as fuck, something like 5 degrees Celsius, but it's not that bad. And yesterday I mounted my Hero3 Plus Black Edition with a ram mount. I mounted it to the handlebar, and it was a nice angle. But today I wanted to try the helmet mount. Like a noob, I didn't study the the problem in depth, and I ended up mounting the camera so that I cannot lift my visor all the way. So yeah, you know, fucking retard. But that's it, you know. It will, at least on this helmet, I don't have any other helmet, but at least on this helmet, for the moment, it will remain as is. I'm also using the Super View mode of the Hero 3 Plus Black Edition at 60 frames per second. Also, while I'm generally very happy with the Hero 3 Plus's quality, it has to be said that yesterday's video, edited with iMovie 11, loses a lot on quality. So after editing the raw footage, uploading it to YouTube, after that the quality was down, visibly down on the raw footage. Also, speaking of the Hero, I've been having some problems with it. Let's imagine this situation. You use the camera, it depletes, you charge it and you leave it overnight, you know, and maybe the next day you go out and start recording again. In this scenario, it simply doesn't want to start. The fucking camera doesn't want to start. So I'm pushing the power on button as a lunatic, and it simply doesn't want to power on, you know. And I always take out the battery and try to charge it, and fuck, you know, I'm trying everything, and what happens is that it basically restarts. At some point it starts working, but there's no logic to it. Although I have noticed something. Maybe you just have to push for a second or two the power on button, and after that you have to release it. Maybe that is why I'm having these issues. But it has to be said that before the 2.0 software update I didn't have these issues. So I don't know what the fuck this is, but if it will keep on doing it, I think I'm going to return the camera, and that, I guess, will be a pain in the butt, because I mean, I'm not going to return it. I'm going to take it in for the problem to be solved under the warranty. You know, I'm not going to return it. But that might generate other problems, because I'm in Romania, and I'm not entirely certain that GoPro has tip-top customer support over here, and so I'll have to see. I have to see about that. Also, yesterday, another thing that I've experienced is that I don't have a professional grade mic yet, so I just improvised a mic out of an iPhone 4S hands-free kit, you know, those earbuds and the built-in microphone that comes with the iPhone 4S. I cut off the earbuds and the speakers, not the earbuds, and I just left the part with the microphone. So and while walking around the bike and speaking, the quality of the sound is okay. Yesterday, when I was riding at speeds of up to 50, 60, 70 miles per hour, so 100, 120, 130 kilometers per hour, the wind noise was too harsh. So also my breathing is really fucking annoying. So when I'm maneuvering the bike in tight spots, and you know, you're putting your back into it and your legs, you know, and you moan because you moan. It's effort, you know. So you do make some sounds like, let's move, motherfucker, let's turn this fucking bike. These sounds are very amplified. So at this point, I really don't know if I'm moaning a lot more than your average 33-year-old man, or the mic just picks up too many of these, let's say, background noises, but which basically are not background noises, but whatever. So I'm not sure yet. Anyway, the one thing that is different from yesterday's setup is that I found laying around an old watch case, and that watch case on the inside is padded with some foam, you know, the kind of foam that you see on the mic. You see on the mics, and fucking retard. And I basically made a makeshift cover for the mic. So, and it's a pretty big piece of said foam, or what the fuck should I call that? And yeah, maybe it will have a good effect on the sound. Maybe it will filter out my moans, and maybe and hopefully it will filter out my constant breathing, you know. So I don't think that I'm a heavy breather, but maybe I am. I just don't notice, you know. So I don't know. But for sure, for example, the Baron or many other motovloggers, their breathing is not that prominent on the recording, you know. So that's to be seen. Anyway, now it's very windy, so I'm doing like 50 kilometers an hour, and it's very windy. My visor is not closed, is not fully closed, and probably when the summer will come, I won't ride with my visor down. So this is a scenario that will happen. So if now the sound quality will be at least acceptable, then okay, then my improvisation is better than hoped. Anyway, now that the wind noise is really big, I'm also talking a little bit louder, so we shall see. I'm very curious what I can do with this with the voice recordings, and we'll take it from there, basically. Yeah. So and I'm using this makeshift setup for the voice because I didn't want to. I didn't want to drill a hole in the GoPro's case, you know. I want to keep it as waterproof as I can. So that's why. I saw on YouTube, and not only on YouTube, that many vloggers have drilled holes in the GoPro's case. But for now I want to avoid that. So the most politically correct thing is that at the moment I'm experimenting. So we shall see. Anyway, the wind noise is really big now. So I think that it will be relevant how this setup works or how it doesn't. So yeah, a beautiful day yesterday. It's not that bad today, but it is cold. It's a Sunday, and I'm going to get some dessert for the family lunch. So that's my mission. I should have turned left a while back, but you can imagine that talking and riding at the same time is not second nature to me yet. So I just thought I'll keep going, and I'll make a U-turn here where the public transport has its final stop on this route, at least. And so yeah, I shall make a turn here, and hopefully I'll find the place I'm trying to find. I haven't been to this place yet to buy some dessert, so we shall see if I find it. And yeah, so for now, this is my fuck you dog. This is my intro to this motovlogging stuff. I still don't have a channel art. I still don't know how I'm going to edit my videos. I still don't know how I'm going to avoid losing video quality, because as I've said, editing with iMovie significantly brings down the quality. So at least from what comes out from the camera raw and what I can see on YouTube, the difference is big. It's big, and it's really annoying. So, but hopefully I'll find solutions, because I don't think that this is really rocket science. So I think I can manage. So yeah, hope I wasn't too boring. Maybe I'll chime in on the way home. For now, let's just see where do I have to take that right-hand turn, and maybe I'll show you also the dessert I'm getting. Let's see. Those fucking clouds. Please don't rain.